So I dey like to dey talk small small sometimes because today I no wan shout. Today our lesson is all about multitasking. And multitasking on your Windows screen, man, that power key, which is your Windows key, is very important. Sure you understand. And you answer data guy today, just keep quiet. Just wait and see. And there we dey go right now. So Windows, many ways to do things easily without just holding mouse. Yes. Because most times when you work on multiple screen and you get many things to do, hey, you can't dey wonder, man, this screen is too small now. I'm using just 13 inches screen. How can I see all these things? I need a second screen or a third. My guy, you no need what you need now na how to manipulate your screen. You will get many virtual screen, not just only one desktop. Shey you see as e be, my guy, it is easy. I no like to shout. Is your hands on data guy. Stay tuned. So first thing first, it is very important make we know how to dey use our Windows shortcut keys, most especially the Windows power key. You get, because sometimes when your mouse don kaput, e go come good make you fit do some certain things with your hand on your using your just your keyboard. So that is why we want to do our snap. That's that's why I want to show you how to use the snap layout key. The snap layout combination key, the snap layout function on your desktop is for you to help you to organize your screen. Normally, if you use your mouse, we will show you how to use your mouse as well. But today, we want to show you how to also use key combination, like holding two keys together to help you bring those things out. Like I said, when your mouse kaput, your mouse don't spoil, or your keypad don't spoil, you go fit use your keyboard to do some certain things. Okay, you understand? Let's go on. So the first things first for us to do now, win key plus Z. And this is how we go take do am. First of all, I go dey on my active window and I will say Windows plus Z. You go bring am out. Shey you see am. So now I come fit choose which type of layout me I want. Yeah, for my snap layout. So if na this one I want, which is 3, will select 3. This number 5. So number 5, you see, they already arrange my window. Yeah. If I want change, I can also navigate using my arrow key and my Windows key. So you see, I can move it up, down, left, and center. See, I dey mix my keys there now, my Windows key and my arrow keys. It will take me anywhere. Apart from say I use my keyboard combination to get that particular snap layout. I fit also use my mouse. For those wey be say they be mouse mouse manager, this is how you go do am. Just carry your cursor up to this your expand or maximize button here. Then you go fit do am, you go fit select am as well. But you can see if I take my mouse off and I just do my Windows Z, it go bring am out. So when your mouse no work, yeah, or your pointer pad no work, you go fit do that same thing. So there are many ways I will show you how to fit get your way through when your mouse pointer no work, or your mouse pad no work, or your mouse at all no work. So now the first one now be that. So you can see now we don't get like 2 screens for here. I fit change them to this one. See? Now this one are all the windows where they open, all the explorers, your applications and everything they open. So you can put anyone for this side by selecting it. Now I don't select Windows. And the good thing about it is be say I don't dey work on this one now. You see? You see? You know disturb this other one. Yeah. I can go back to this maximize, or I can just use take it out, use my Windows plus Z key, and I get them out back. So that the first one where I want to show you. Now let's move to the second one. No. So the second one, now the second one now your virtual keyboard, and the combination now be this. Yeah, your virtual keyboard. You go hold that your Windows. You go hold that your Windows key plus control, then your left or right arrow. Make I show you. You hold your Windows control and left and right arrow. Watch. So the next one, now make I show you how to create your Windows virtual desktop. Your Windows virtual desktop, for example, you don't create a lot of things and you don't populate your desktop. Things don't full here. You don't want to confuse yourself. Because you don't want to confuse yourself, you want to create a virtual desktop. A virtual desktop now additional desktop where you will get. They use to they do some other things to put some other apps there when you dey work on another virtual app. I will show you how to create them and I also show you how to navigate to them and I will also show you how to delete them. Let's go there. So how to do them? You will just hold your Windows key, your control key, and your arrow key. You can see I don't move enter another virtual desktop. So this is virtual desktop now, a second desktop where you create anything where you do for here now. Let's say I open this app, you know go affect the other your main desktop. You see this one don't open for here right now. Now make I can't go. I can't hold my Windows key, control and left arrow. See, I don't navigate come up for that desktop. Yeah. But that same desktop, if you see everything, I will show you. If you carry your cursor, just come this icon here. Yeah, it will show you your virtual desktop. So now the easy way, but remember, I tell you, say, why would you do this thing? In case your mouse spoil or your mouse pad on your laptop spoil, you will fit still navigate with your keyboard. So that is why we use them like that. We can't hold our Windows key, control key, then our arrow. See, left or right. And the combination key now they show for screen, So no mind I'm saying they show plenty. Shey you remember so make we do them again so that the thing will stick enter brain. Do you understand? So to create a new virtual desktop, you go type together all the three keys together: Windows, Control, and D. Which is this? Windows, Control, and D. You don't create one. One create the second one. Windows, Control, and D. You see them? Now, how we go take see them? If you use your mouse, take see them. But we can also see it using our combination keys, which is Windows, Control, and right key or left key, which is Windows, Control, and your left key. Windows, Control. You see one, two. This is our main desktop. Let's go right. Move one, two, none. So it means that we have right now, we get two virtual desktop and our main desktop. Let's now we'll go delete this virtual desktop. How to delete them now? A three combination as well. Your Windows key, your control key, and your F4. That's your function 4. We could do them now. Your function 4, F4 dey for top of your keyboard. Look up there. You will see them. So let's delete this one we will do on. For you to delete them, you need to be on that current virtual desktop. So now him be this. Windows, Control, and F4. It don't go. So we did two. How we go take no? See. Because they look alike. I will do them now. Windows, Control. You see them now. Only two now we get. Then make I do something, make you see so that you go see how it did go. Yeah? Windows, Control, and this. Now, we did here. Let me open Adobe. So, say I'm Adobe don't open for here, but make I go our main screen. Windows, Control. I did our main screen. Now, make I expand this thing. You see, I'm saying it's different from waiting there for this other one. Windows, Control, and this. No. So it's different from waiting there this other one. Yeah. So now I want to delete this virtual desktop. I will hold Windows, Control, and F4. It don't go. I will go there no. We hold Windows, Control, and arrow. See, the advantage of it is that it bring the contents where we get open for our virtual desktop to our main desktop. So that because we know close them, that is why it do like that. So make I close am now. So I dey back to my stuff. So how you go take know? Let's use mouse take do am. See, I come here. We have only our main desktop. Yeah. So that is it. We don't learn how to navigate our screen, how to maximize using snap layout to take control our screen. Now I want to do this again so that you no go forget. Windows and Z. Don't bring them out. I don't click on like this. You don't arrange everything. Catch ya now your hands on data guy. I beg no forget to like and share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to always get our videos when they come out. I don't get confidence. So, oh shit. And so